Hey guys, today I have a tutorial on this look right here, so if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. So I'm going into my Naked Heat palette. The first color I'm using is the color Sauced, and I'm using that on a Morphe M441 brush. I'm just putting that into my crease, kind of high up into my crease as my transition. Then I'm going into the color He Devil, and I did use the same brush for all of these. And I'm just taking that a little bit lower than that first Sauced color. And then just really building up that color to get the intensity that I want and bringing it towards the inner corner. Now I'm using the color in Fuego. And we're just going slightly lower each time just to get that nice gradient. I just wanted that really nice blend. So yeah. And then going into the color Ashes, and I'm popping that right in that like outer V part of the eye, and then very, very low in the crease. I think from all the Naked palettes, I use this one more than any of the other ones that have ever came out. I absolutely love this palette. So now using a flat shadow brush and some concealer, I'm going to cut my crease only about halfway across my lid. And I always look up to see if it's going to transfer into my crease, because if it does, then you want to go slightly above that, because you definitely don't want to do all that crease work and then mess it all up when your shadow or your glitter transfers. And then taking that same brush that I just used Ashes on and just blending where the concealer meets the shadow, and then putting more of the Ashes color to darken up around the cut crease. Now I'm taking Tassel and just popping that onto my lid just so there's something there. And then putting down some Ben Nye glitter glue, and I'm tapping the glitter. It's from Super Glitters. It's in the color Orbit Orange over top of that. And then going with my liquid liner, this is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and I'm just giving myself a wing. Also, my mom had called me, so I was on the phone, so yeah, if I'm like start laughing and stuff, it's because I was talking to her. So going down to the lower lash line, I'm popping the Sauced color all across the lower lash line. Then going into He Devil, keeping it really close to my lash line and taking it about 3/4 of the way across. And then I like to just give it a little blend with my finger. And then going into the darkest color I used, which was Ashes, and I'm keeping that at like the last, like the outer 1/3 of my eye. And then taking a clean brush, I'm just blending that out. And then taking a pencil liner, I'm just doing my tight line and my waterline, and then dragging it slightly down at the outer corner of the lower lash line. Also, the brush I used for my lower lash line is the Morphe M431 brush. It's like a penciled brush, a little bit denser, and it's really good. And then curling my lashes, adding my Pure Fully Charged Mascara, getting my lashes ready for some falsies. Now I'm going back into that color Tassel, and I'm just popping that in the inner tear duct and kind of bringing it up slightly onto the glitter, just a little bit. And then popping on my falsies and doing my lips. My lips are stripped from Anastasia Beverly Hills with the color Undressed on top in the gloss. So that's it for the tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching.